Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. So if you read from my title, we are going to be doing IPSY versus IPSY. So this is a $10 a month subscription this month, but next month it goes up to $12. But I love this subscription. And I've been doing this for a little over a year now. I've been getting 2 subscriptions, and I have 2 different profiles to see, does IPSY really go by profile? So I have one that is my real age, my real profile. I say that I'm 43, I have dark hair, blue eyes, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. And then my other profile has I'm 25, red hair, brown eyes, and not that comfortable with makeup. It's like total opposite. But I'm doing something different this month. I don't know which one is which, and I'm going to see after I unbox it if I got it right. Did I think that this one is the 43-year-old profile or the 25-year-old profile? So as I'm doing this, leave down below which one you think it is as well, and at the end of the video I'll let you know. I'll get off of there, look it up, and then we'll let you know. All right, so let's get started. Usually I always start with my profile, but I don't know which one this is. So let me just open it up. Should have did that ahead of time. All right. So, oh, this bag's pretty. So you have like the zodiac, what's it called? Constellations? I forget what it's called. Very pretty. And then you have this little crystal here. This is a really pretty bag. All right. Let's see where. All right, so here is the card. It says Find Your Light. This is the September one right there. All right, so this gives you what everything is, and also, does it give the prices? No, it doesn't give you the prices, but it tells you what everything is. So I'm gonna pull out the first thing that I grab. Oh, and this is an Ofra. Is this a blush? I think this is a blush. I love Ofra blushes. Well, with this, I can't tell which is what. All right, so let me open it up. All right, this is a beautiful color. I love it. This is gorgeous. This is like perfect for fall. All right, let me swatch it. Yeah, it feels just like the Ofra blushes. So let me make it a little bit deeper so you can see. Love that so much. And yeah, it's the Ofra Cosmetics at Ofra and Madison Sweet Stuff Blush. So Ofra collab with Madison Miller, which is exciting. All right, the next thing I got is from Wonder. I don't know if this is Wonder Beauty or not. I don't know what this is. So let's see. So this is Wonder Honey Green Aqua Balm Cream. It says meaning, every day in Korean, this lifestyle-inspired brand uses superfood ingredients and natural fermentation technology to formulate their uniquely designed products. This moisturizer gives green tea, honey, and hyaluronic acid to plump and repair. All right. I would think this would be, it has a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it. But I would think that this would be for my 43-year-old profile, but I don't know, could be wrong, because 25-year-olds need to take care of their skin too. All right, so this is from Skin Iceland. This is a youth serum. Okay, so this is let's see, this serum is infused with healing ingredients sourced from Iceland. Oh, like glacier water, cranberry seed oil, and Arctic cloudberry to address dullness, dryness, uneven skin tone, and premature aging. All right, so I'm looking at my lights, and it's maybe like this way filled. But serums are, you don't need that much. So I'm excited to try that. And then we have this thing, which I don't know what it is. It looks like from the Beauty Crop. It's an eyeshadow in Sarin. We just got a palette on the fashion stuff from Beauty Crop. And I don't know if I can get this thing open. Is this taped? Let me see if I can get this open. All right, this thing took me forever to open it. All right, to get the tape off. Can I? I'm still having problems opening it. What in the? Okay. So there we go. That is beautiful. So pretty. Because it's a shimmer is why I swatch it. If it was a matte, I would have put it in a giveaway. That is really pretty. Look at this. I did a video before this, and I'm having a hard time getting the color off. All right. Last but not least is this thing. What are you? This is from La Beauty Fatale Cosmetics. This is a matte liquid lipstick in Tough Love. Right there. So this, you have this brush. Oh, so what you do then, you would turn this up to get it out. I'm not going to do that because I might put this in a giveaway because I have so many lipsticks. All right, so let's recap what we got. So we got this liquid lipstick. We have this Wander cream. We have this Skin Iceland serum. We have this beautiful blush. And we have from Beauty Crop this gorgeous eyeshadow. So I'm thinking this might be the 25-year-old profile. I'm not sure. So let's open up the other bag and then we'll go from there. Let me know if you like this better, or we can guess, or do you want to know right away? So you got the same bag with the crystal. It's really, really pretty. And what I usually do when I get two, if I get anything that's doubles or something that I know I won't use, I will fill up a bag, and once it gets filled, then I'll have a giveaway in it. Okay. So again, tells you what everything is. All right. So the first thing, do I have another blush? Is it the same one? So, oh, this is a different blush. This is an All You Need Is Love blush. All right, so we got two Ophir blushes, which I really like blush, and bronzer. Oh, that's like a peachy color. I like this too. That is gorgeous. Looks like I had a little swatch in it, but I'm not sure. You guys see that right there? I don't know. All right, so that's the color. Put it right here. Oh, that's so pretty. That's like a peachy color right there. So that's this one, and this is the other one in the other bag. Gorgeous. All right, the next thing is, oh, another serum. So I will put this in a future giveaway. Is this like the same bag? Then we have the Wander. And I'll, again, put this in a future giveaway. So I can't tell. It's basically all the same stuff. All right, so this is from IPSY City Limits. What would you be? So this is an eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. So let me see what this color is. So there's the packaging. All right, I'm not going to swatch this because I know I won't reach for this. That's really pretty though. So this will go into a future IPSY giveaway as well. And let's see. This must have came off the skin thing. And then we have this Smashbox, what you call it, for your face. Foundation. This is very light. This is in 105. I'm definitely not going to swatch this because this is definitely going to be too light for me. This is a Smashbox Cosmetics Studio 15 Hour Wear Hydration Foundation in 105 Neutral. I believe I have a full size of this. So I'll see if I know anybody that can use this. That is, I just think it's going to be too light. All right, so let's recap what is in this this bag. So we have the foundation. We have the very pretty blush. I like this one the best right here. We have the serum again. We have the Wander right there, moisturizer. And then we have the eyeshadow. I think this is great for $10. Even when it goes up to $12, I really think it's a good deal. So let's see what I think. I believe, I don't know. This is really hard when you don't know. So I'm just going to take a guess because it's so similar. I'm going to say that the bag that I just opened is the 25-year-old because this is so light, and that the other one is the first one I opened is the 43-year-old profile. So I'm gonna look everything up and come back and let you know if I got it right. But real quick, go down below and let me know what you think. What was the first bag I unboxed, which profile, and which was the second bag? And let's see if we got it right together. So I will be right back. All right, I'm back and I looked and I am shocked. I was actually correct. So the last bag that I opened was for my 25-year-old profile. And what gave it away, I think, as I said, I'm red hair, brown eyes, light complexion, I don't know. And this. And also with the peach color, I would think that would be more for somebody that's red hair maybe, I don't know. And then this, because of this shade, I thought would go with my profile. So I was correct. That's the only thing that I thought gave it away a little bit. Let me know in the comments down below, were you correct? Also, let me know next month, how do you want me to do this? Do you want me to where we guess and I see if I get it right? Or do you want me just to do how I used to do it by saying, this is my profile, this is what I got? Let me know, all the tea. And that's everything, guys. Please rate this video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Either way, I prefer that you thumbs it up, but whatever you want to do, it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and also turn that post notification bell on and make sure you have it on all so you can be notified for all my future videos and giveaways. I have a few going on right now and a few more going up, so make sure that you do have that post notification bell on so you don't miss out on that. And also leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know all the tea. That's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.